Okay, good afternoon. So in the previous lecture, we had talked about the basic functions related to the maintenance, like replace, what is meant by the term replace, repair, overhaul, rebuild, service, inspect or check, test, adjust, align, calibrate, measure, and install. Okay, so all of these are clear to you. Okay, right. So in continuation that, today we will talk about little bit more in detail about the maintenance. So any job, activity, or a technology, whatever so we have, that requires various types of maintenance. That require a various types of maintenance, right? So sometimes they require also repair activities. So to perform their functions appropriately, okay, to perform their functions. So there are two categories are there. So we have a two categories are there. Category 1 and category 2. So in category 1, this includes the technologies that are required to determine if maintenance or repair action is required. This includes the technologies required to determine if maintenance or repair required. To quantify actual defects, residual life, or operational expectancy and reliability. These would be discussed as maintenance management aspects in subsequent chapters as we discussed. These technologies can also be termed as health and usage monitoring system. इसको हम और क्या बोल देते हैं? It is also termed as HUMS. HUMS stands for the health and usage monitoring system. Okay. So in category 2, this includes the technologies required to actually repair or remove the different parts, components, system by more efficient techniques, shorter repair life cycle, and the lower cost, etc. इसमें क्या क्या आएगा? It includes that technologies required to actually repair or remove different parts, components, systems by more efficient techniques. Shorter repair, and most important is a lower cost, etc. Right? So there are two categories in which we can maintenance to be classified. Okay. So in this, first of all, we will talk about the inspection and testing. First of all, we'll talk about the inspection and testing. So as you are already aware about these two terms, what is meant by the inspection and testing. So this is the normally very first step, and then intermediate steps. This is the very first step. Inspection is the very first step. So different types of inspections are there, and testing that you have to done by any maintenance person or a supervisor. So they have different types of inspection and testing that has to be done by the maintenance man. Right? For example, if we talk about which type of maintenance that have to be done by the maintenance man, like in case of dimensions and coordinates measuring, different types of jobs activities are there as we already explained here. So that we have to run the various types of jobs, activities, and technologies. So for example, dimensions, dimension and coordinates measuring, right? So फॉर एग्जांपल इन मैकेनिकल मेटलर्जी की बात करें अंदर सरफेस की हमें रफनेस चेक करना है, वी विल चेक आउट द सरफेस रफनेस एंड फ्लैटनेस। वो सरफेस आपका कितना रफ और कितना फ्लैट है वो चेक करना है, राइट? Okay, so these are some of the functions that have to be performed by the maintenance man. Dimension and coordinate measuring, surface roughness and flatness checking, chemical testing, tensile testing, hardness testing, hardness that may weaker hardness, Rockwell hardness. Okay, as we concerned with the mechanical or automobile engineering, so here one of the major part that we play, that is the dismantling and assembling, right? We do the dismantling and assembling. So in which case we do that dismantling and assembling? Tohin?
Yes, sir. हेलो, जो कुछ
Yes.
सर अलग करना है तो फिर डिसमिस करना है, और फिर से अगर सर कट करना है तो सर असेंबली करना है।
Like we have any engine which have any failed equipment with it. Okay, so that have not performing its job. We have any part of engine, we have to change that part. Sorry, and or we have any partially or required any repair. Partial job is performed by any equipment, right? In that case, what we required? We require the repair. In this case, failed equipment, it might require repair or we have to replace it. Okay, so in the basic function we talk about when we have any failed equipment or working equipment. So it openly, partially, open, partial, completely that requires necessary repairs, adjustments, or changing of elements and components are done, and the equipment is fitted back in the position using common or special tools. How we do it? That we done with the help of a tools. So that means when we are opening the engine for replacing of any failed equipment or repair of that is known as the dismantling. And when again fitting back it, so simply you can say closing that part, that is known as the assembly, right? In layman language. If you talk about in layman language, what is the meaning of dismantling or assembly? So what is the procedure? How we will do it? Like we have to take some common cares to be taken prior and during the dismantling and assembling of the any machinery part or engine. There are some common cares. Some common cares to be taken prior to and during dismantling and assembly, right? What are those? So like for example, check the drawing before dismantling and mark on the drawing. We can check the drawing, right? We will check drawing before dismantling, do the marking, whatever the required, estimate the weight. If not given in the drawing, we can also estimate the weight. Number two, what we'll do, we'll check the job manual. Check the job manual instructions and remember that. And remember or list down the sequence, or you can say that, or you can list down the सीक्वेंस मीन्स कैसे हम इसको ओपन करना है, कैसे क्लोज करना है, कौन सा पार्ट कहां पे लगा हुआ है. यू हैव टू नो द सीक्वेंस. देन you can put the match mark tags labels on the two sides of coupling flanges. मतलब आप उसका जो पार्ट्स आपको नहीं पता, you can do for that. You can put the visible match marks. कैसे के बाद में आपको कहाँ पे कौन सा करना है आप मार्किंग कर सकते हो. सेम मार्किंग भी कर सकते हो, उसके ऊपर टैग्स भी लगा सकते हो और लेबलिंग भी कर सकते हो, उनकी उनके ऊपर लेबल भी लगा सकते हो ऑन द टू साइड्स. दोनों साइड से आप मतलब फॉर एग्जाम्पल इंजन की बात करें, दो साइड हैं उसके ऊपर लगा सकते हो उसके ऊपर. ठीक है. देन फोर्थ वन इज look for benchmark or a level pads if base or foundation is to be repaired. So you have to go for the look for benchmark. Okay. Fifth one is use of proper tools is very essentially. Use of proper tools mean जो टूल जिसके लिए चाहिए हमें वही टूल वहां पे यूज करना है. ऐसे नहीं है जो प्रॉपर उसके लिए यूज नहीं हो पा रहा, उससे क्या होगा, जो भी आपके नट्स एंड बोल्ट्स हैं वो डैमेज हो सकते हैं, उसके स्किप भी करना शुरू कर देंगे अगर नहीं है. लाइक रिक्वायर्ड टॉर्क रेंच. दैट टॉर्क रेंच शुड बी यूज्ड फॉर यूनिफॉर्म टाइटनिंग ऑफ क्रिटिकल बोल्टिंग. ठीक है. अगर हमें यूनिफॉर्मली टाइट करना सभी बोल्ट्स को, और दैट वी यूज द टॉर्क रेंच. हैव यू सीन द टॉर्क रेंच इन ऑटोमोबाइल लैब?
Yes, sir.
We use it for the uniform tightening. Okay. Then prepare joints and surface properly. उसके बाद हमें जो joints वापस लगाने हैं उसके prepare joints and surfaces properly. कैसे करेंगे? बाय फिलिंग, मशीनिंग, कटिंग। हम उसकी मशीनिंग करेंगे, उसकी कटिंग करनी है वो कटिंग करेंगे, उसकी थ्रेडिंग करनी है थ्रेडिंग करेंगे। whatever the process is required, we will do that. For that, hand grinding, chipping of surfaces should be normally to avoid these many to produce uneven surface. Then prepare clamps. We'll use a proper clamps. प्रॉपर क्लैंप्स यूज करेंगे। स्पोर्ट्स वहां पे जो हमें उनको रोकने के लिए हेल्प चाहिए, स्पोर्ट्स शुड बी फिटेड, राइट। देन 8th one is a cover. Cover all dismantle pipe and connections, hydraulic, pneumatics, electrical or other such item to prevent ingress of dust and moisture. जो पार्ट्स हैं हमें उसको कवर करना है, इसके लिए टू प्रिवेंट इंक्रीज ऑफ डस्ट एंड मॉइस्चर। कुछ भी हो सकता है वहां पे, एयर पार्टिकल कुछ भी हो सकता है, उसको हमने रोकना है, राइट। एंड द 9th point is to proper depressurization of hydraulic and oil system and putting oil collecting trays before opening and in such event. Proper that depends upon machine to machine. अब मतलब किस चीज के लिए आप फॉलो कर रहे हो उसके लिए ये अलग अलग भी हो सकते हैं। Right, and the last point is the proper alignment and balancing are to be checked after assembling. जब हम वापस उसको assemble करेंगे तो we have to ensure that proper alignment and balancing, that is very important, are to be checked after assembling. कैसे चेक करेंगे? With the help of proper tools, gadgets that we have. Okay, first chapter. So this is a dismantling and assembling procedure for any machine, engine, any equipment that we have to repair or replace. Clear? Sorry, क्या बोल रहा?
ओ सर आधार बोल रहा।
You are not clearly audible to him.
तो सर कुछ नहीं सर, वो रूम पे और दूसरा लोग बात कर रहा है।
Okay. So the process that we have discussed today, that is clear to you. The category of maintenance. Then we talked about the inspection and testing. After that, we have talked about the dismantling and assembling of any equipment machine, right? Okay, so now we do the last topic, that is a maintenance cleaning. So that is also important topic, that is a maintenance cleaning. Okay, so you know the meaning of cleaning?
Yes sir.
So that means while we talk about the cleaning in vehicle maintenance, we are talking about the cleaning of equipments, we are talking about the cleaning of components, we are talking about the cleaning of working tools, we are talking about the hands, cleaning of hands, we are talking about the cleaning of working gloves. Okay, and most important, workplace. And there are so many are there that have got take in action about the maintenance cleaning. So before taking repair, during and after repair is a prime importance. So cleaning of equipments, components, working tool, hands, working glove, working place, that is also very important during and after the repair of any component, machine, engine. So cleaning is often considered donkey's job, and it's left to some unskilled worker to decide and do. मीन जो क्लीनिंग है, क्लीनिंग का पार्ट है, उसको कोई भी परफॉर्म कर सकता है, इसलिए मुझे स्किल्ड पर्सन की जरूरत नहीं है. बट द टाइप एंड एक्सटेंट ऑफ क्लीनिंग इज प्योरली अ टेक्निकल रिक्वायरमेंट. अगर आप इक्विपमेंट की क्लीनिंग की बात करोगे, किसी कंपोनेंट क्लीनिंग की बात करोगे, वर्किंग टूल्स की क्लीनिंग की बात करेंगे, तो वहां पे हमें एक प्रॉपर टेक्निकल इसकी रिक्वायरमेंट्स होती हैं. दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन द सब्सिक्वेंट जॉब टू बी डन. हमें कैसी जॉब करनी है, कैसा उससे काम लेना है, उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा. सो क्लीनिंग ऑफ कंपोनेंट्स इज नॉर्मली असिस्टेड बाय केरोसिन. कैसे करते हैं, किसके द्वारा करते हैं? अगर हम क्लीनिंग ऑफ कंपोनेंट्स की बात करें, that is normally done with the help of kerosene, right? With the help of petrol, with the help of carbon tetrachloride, CTC, and many other solvents. Right? So in hydraulic system की बात करें, in case of hydraulic systems, अगर हमारे पास कोई हाइड्रोलिक सिस्टम है, ठीक है, तो हाइड्रोलिक सिस्टम के अंदर एक डर्ट है हमारे पास, एक हमारे पास डस्ट है. दैट आर द बिगेस्ट एनिमी फॉर एनी सोफिस्टिकेटेड वाल्व, पंप्स एंड कंट्रोल इक्विपमेंट्स. राइट, ये सबसे बड़े हमारे एनिमी है. ठीक है, फॉर द जो वाल्व लगे हुए हैं वहां पे हमारे पास पंप्स हैं, ओके, कंट्रोल इक्विपमेंट्स है हमारे पास. राइट, सो that requires proper covering and sealing of tanks, use of with the help of suitable filters during oil changing and repair of components to be done in dust free room, okay, or enclosures. So for cleaning of rust, अगर rust की cleaning करनी है, I'm taking some examples. ठीक है, rust means corrosion, हमने rust को clean करना है, कैसे करेंगे? कैसे करेंगे रस्टिंग क्लीनिंग? So we have to do the proper like grinding in case of using prime metal, grinding, cleaning, or repainting of it, right? So based upon it, you can also describe the various types of cleaning. So these are selected or made as per the need, okay, or for the any item. Like I will not go in detail about these. Aqueous cleaning, okay, vapor, degreasing, steam cleaning, vacuum cleaning, paint stripping, one-step alkaline cleaning, जो वन स्टेप अल्कलाइन क्लीनिंग है, दैट इज यूज्ड फॉर द स्टील एंड टाइटेनियम. मल्टी स्टेप अल्कलाइन क्लीनिंग एंड एसिडिक डीसलिंग, पावर वॉश, ओके, एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड एंड प्लास्टिक ग्रिड ब्लास्ट. ओके, एंड लाइट मशीनिंग, मशीनिंग कर सकते हैं, मशीनिंग से कर सकते हैं हम लाइट मशीनिंग. एचिंग कर सकते हैं, केमिकल के साथ करते हैं एचिंग, ठीक है, एंड बर्निशिंग. ओके, so these are the some types of the cleaning, right? So we can do with aqueous cleaning, vapor degreasing, steam cleaning, vacuum cleaning, paint stripping, one step alkaline, multi-step alkaline, power wash, aluminium oxide and plastic grid blast, light machining, etching and burnishing. Okay, so these are some types of the cleaning. Okay, so I think